Hi everybody, and welcome again to Champion Trading Corp. What we're demonstrating for you today, this is a Lee 40-gallon kettle, and it is double motion agitated. It has the inclined agitator. I'm going to give you a look inside there a second. Also has a large flush seating valve, which is the Lee fluids flow valve. The entire unit is base mounted and is on load cells by Mettler. The scale is operating on 120 volts. Of course, like all used scales, will need to be serviced and calibrated. It is working. I just put a little pressure here, and you'll see the scale increase. We're getting an accurate weight, as accurate as we can get. We put a small test weight on here, which we weigh on another scale, and it's coming up at 16 pounds. The unit is operating with two drives, so it has independent control of both the scraper and the counter rotating agitator. We're going to show you that right now. And in the previous programming, they're set up to ramp up very slowly in speed. So they take about 30 seconds to reach their full speed. You'll hear the AC drives and the motor slowly increasing in speed. Really nice feature, gives you some gentle mixing as well as holding action. Those are the 3.5 by 5 scrapers that we usually use standard. You will see finger scrapers on occasion. Incidentally, we are running on 440 volt. That's what the unit is wired for. It is fully jacketed with the coil type jacket. In fact, let me give you a quick look. You can actually see the lines, which we call phantom marks, on the walls, because it has a helicoil jacket rated for 90 psi at 332 Fahrenheit. It's also national board rated as well. The body is fully shrouded. Has 2 Euro drives, both through gear reducers, very heavy duty design. The junction for the load cells, and a small control panel over here. Running really nice. We'll also be pressure testing the unit. And it's here in our stock in New Jersey, and we have lots of agitated kettles in stock, so I do hope you'll visit our website at www.champtrading.com, and we certainly look forward to hearing from you. Thanks for joining us in this video today.